In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Table View in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted a clear, spreadsheet-style layout that makes it easy to scan information and focus on cell-level details, Table View is exactly what you're looking for. It presents your sheet as clean rows and columns with headers across the top, so you can quickly see the fields that matter and track updates with confidence. Start by opening your sheet. At the very top, you'll notice a toolbar with a variety of options. Among them is a drop-down whose label always matches the view you're currently using. Depending on what you last used, it might say Grid, Gantt, Card, Calendar, or Table. This is the view selector. Because it mirrors your current view name, it's the most reliable way to confirm where you are before changing anything. Click that drop-down to open the list of available views. From the menu, choose Table. That's it. As soon as you select it, your sheet switches to Table View, and you'll see the contents of your sheet organized in a familiar tabular format. Each column appears with its header at the top, your rows are listed down the left, and any hierarchy you've built remains intact, so parent and child rows stay grouped in a logical way. You may also notice icons that indicate attachments or comments next to the relevant rows, helping you keep context right where you need it. One important thing to understand is that switching to Table View doesn't change your data. It only changes how the information is displayed. Any filters, sorts, or conditional formatting that were already set on the sheet continue to apply here, and your sharing permissions remain exactly the same. The goal is simply to give you a clear workspace for reviewing and editing details efficiently. Table View is great for scanning lots of fields side by side, comparing values across rows, and focusing on accuracy. It's especially helpful when you want to validate entries, check statuses, or read longer text fields in a straightforward layout. If you were in a visual or timeline-focused view before, Table View offers a more data-centric perspective that can make complex information feel simpler and more manageable. To recap the core action, go to the top of your sheet, find the drop-down labeled with your current view, click it, and select Table. You'll immediately see your sheet in Table View, ready for detailed review and quick updates. That simple switch can make a big difference in how clearly you understand your work.